Welcome back to Missing Machines. On today's episode, we are upgrading my interior on my 64 panel and foreshadowing things to come. But first, let's take a look at what we currently have for interior. So currently, we got these seats in here. I think they're out of some probably like 70 or 80s vehicle. Now, unfortunately, I only got one seat and then the back seats. We're going to put the back row in here. So I can sit more than two. If I ever want to bring somebody up. So I got this seat, so I go back here. And I'm replacing my driver's seat with something better. Well, that's what we're planning on doing today. You got that seat there, but unfortunately, I did not get a passenger seat out of the truck that we were getting parts out of. They didn't have one. So let's start with taking this one out. Alright, I'm going to take the seat out. It's got 4 bolts here in the bottom I'm going to shoot out, so. Okay, so I got 3 bolts out. The last one here in the corner has a carriage bolt on it and just spinning, so I'm just going to cut it off. Alright, so I pulled it out. You see, since the seat was loose, it's starting to pull that one out real pretty bad right there. This one's just welded up. That one's fine, that one's fine. So we're going to grab the new seat, set it in here, and see where we gotta modify what we gotta modify to get that seat bolted down. Alright, so you got my new seat set in there, just for the time being. I'm going to have to make some brackets for the bottom there, so at the same time I also have to make brackets for my back seat. So let's get that set in there and measured out and see what we need to do. I like where she sits right there. It's a little away from the wall on this side, so the seat's not running. You can still have fold it down and everything if you need one to. I got open way on the other side. I'm going to need about 4-inch spacers there. Front nice and flat, sitting in it. It's actually quite sturdy. It's just the way it is, so I think that's where she's gonna go. So with that, I'll be right back. I gotta go get the stuff I'm gonna need to make a bracket for that. Spacers and a piece of metal. And then stuff I'm gonna need for the front. So I'll be right back. For you at least. Alrighty. My brother kind enough to make a bracket, but when he measured everything out, there were some discrepancies here. So I just gotta trim it up a little bit and be good to go. So we're gonna trim it up. Alright, so got that all fixed. Everything fits in there good now. Ready to slide it up under the chair, mark my top holes, mark my bottom holes where it's going to bolt it down to. Make 2 more holes with this side. Ready to drill it in. Alright, so I got all my holes marked. I got my holes drilled out in my plate. Just gotta drill my top one, so I gotta line it up under the chair, mark my 3, and then get from there. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna fasten everything down. I got these little crimp nuts here. See, it slides in right there. And then you use the tool to crimp it, so I'll show you being crimped. You see it's crimped in there. And then it just threads on out. That's what I did with all my holes, and I also did that on my floor. So they don't always work the best in wood, but I'm going to go and try for the best. Now I'm going to clean it all off, get it painted, and get ready to put it in for a final install. So I'll be back once I'm ready to set it in. Alright, so you see down here, we got my bracket installed. So I just have the crushed nuts into the wood. I got 6 of them in there. It's pretty solid. So I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to take the seat, I'm going to set it up top. I'm going to put the bolts up top. Got plenty of headroom. I'm about 6 feet. I'm not touching, so. You got armrest cup holder, no sitting there. You squish over a little bit. You got 2 people back here. Yeah. You got a decent seat there. I like it. Alrighty. So this is how I plan on putting my chair in. And I got crushed nuts here, here, and here. Then I got them all 4 corner. Drill holes on the bottom. I have 2 brackets that are going to go on the bottom. So I'm just put bolster, put the seat on, bolster, and bolt it down. Alrighty, there we go. So I got a brand new, or got a nice new seat in here, all set up. Got a little armrest, a lot more comfortable than these ones. So all I need now is to get a passenger seat to replace this one. Janky old thing. And I'll be cruising in style and comfort. Yeah, so I got my seats in. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, and always, if you guys would be so kind to like, comment, and subscribe. Then we got our back seat in. It's got a first passenger, a box. Summer racing box. Race car parts. You know what that means? What's in the box? What's in the box?